Hello everyone, thank you so much for tuning into my channel today. If you're new here and you like this kind of content, give me a thumbs up, give me a like, give me a subscribe, I insist. And if you've been following along on our Infinite Divs journey, welcome back. Be sure to keep up. We're going to be moving really fast today. It's going to be a really short video today because we're just gonna hit this, and we're gonna hit some points, some things that have been happening in the BSC network. So today the price is pretty low. The price is going into a slump. If anybody out there has been keeping up or watching my vids and wants a good entry or a good buying point, this could be it. Keep in mind, we all have to manage our own wealth. So even though according to the chart action here, this is an excellent entry, but you have to manage your own finances. I'm not a financial advisor, so you can't hold me responsible if something goes wrong. Now, the community has been growing a ton since my last video, episode 6. So we're going to check that out. But the price is low today. If I can just do some analytics here, there's been so many powerful coin releases, powerful coin pumping, and today has been super choppy. It's been really chaotic in the BSC Smart Chain. There have been rug pulls. There have been W.A.R on Rugs has been tweeting about the last couple days about different projects that have bugs or things in the contract that are exploitable. Regardless of your opinion on W.A.R on Rugs, you know I don't even want to get into the crypto politics there. But regardless of your thoughts on that, what you have to realize is that when people spread that kind of FUD, I guess, it affects the prices. A lot of people have been bailing out of, there's some really reputable projects, really reputable coins that have gotten destroyed today and last night because of just some FUD and some stuff like that. So that is one reason why prices on coins that haven't been FUDded, you know, people start to sell those coins to recover those losses. I'm sure there were tons of losses that were experienced today. There were a ton of pre-sales. So let's just get right back on. Infinite Divs is the focus for this video. So that's why I think, in my opinion, that's why the price is slumping today. And I'm not even worried about it. I'm not worried about it. None of that has anything to do with Infinite Divs. It's still a growing project, and the community is growing a lot. Just to give you an idea, my last video, we were at 1,100 addresses, 1,100 holders, and that has doubled effectively. And not only that, but we're going to check out their Telegram, and we are going to see their Unirocket and their Unirocket here, which I think the PooCoin chart is a little behind. But there can be some lag between PancakeSwap, Unirocket, and PooCoin and different chart keeping. Sometimes the prices have been really choppy. I'm telling you, BSC is a mess right now. It really is. There's a lot of congestion. There's a lot of traffic. The fees can be high. Everybody, okay, listen, I want you to be careful. Be careful, because a lot of people across multiple telegrams. I'm watching different telegrams every day, and a lot of people are really complaining about PancakeSwap, front running their trades, giving them fractions of what they should have gotten for their money, and I don't know. I feel terrible for these people, of course, but it hasn't happened to me personally. But I do have complaints about how slow trades aren't filling. They're going really slow, and it's destroying your trading profits are being decimated, or can be decimated, if you're not careful. So be really careful on PancakeSwap. Maybe look into some alternatives. I'll put some in the description below so that you can check those out and possibly get in there. But the issue may not necessarily be with PancakeSwap. It may be with the BSC network just being super congested. I'm sorry. There's a lot of traffic. There's a lot of stuff happening. So anyway, be really careful, guys. I don't want to see anybody lose money because of a badly filled trade. I don't want to see that. So on their Infinite Divs official community chat, we see 1,460 members, which is up from like, what, 240 or 250 or something from my last video. That's incredible growth. They're doing a lot of marketing, and things are really happening. So don't worry about the dips. That's my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor, but that is my opinion. I'm not worried about the dip. Entry is everything with these, and if you want a good long-term, a good medium-term investment, probably infinite divs might be something you need to look into. And the entry right now is looking pretty good. So that's all I have for you today, guys. Be sure to join. Think about joining my Telegram channel. This is where I post all my videos as soon as they release. And I have an announcement channel here for new and exciting projects that you can keep up with. So just consider that, guys. The link's in the description. Everything you need to know. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make good decisions, guys. Do well. Talk to you later.